Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 48 elegant kitchen layout ideas, your ultimate source of inspiration to transform your cooking space into a masterpiece of style and functionality. Imagine a kitchen where elegance meets practicality, a place where every corner is optimized for efficiency, yet every detail exudes sophistication. Whether you're planning a major renovation or a minor upgrade, these layouts will spark your creativity and help you design a space that fits your lifestyle perfectly. From open concept designs that seamlessly blend into your living area to compact layouts that maximize storage in small spaces, there's something for everyone. Dreaming of a minimalist aesthetic? Discover sleek cabinets, neutral palettes, and clean lines that radiate modern charm. Or perhaps you crave the warmth of a traditional kitchen? Be inspired by rustic wood finishes, cozy lighting, and timeless details that create a welcoming ambience. A well-designed kitchen isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality too. These layouts showcase how to create flow between workstations, ensuring every tool and ingredient is within easy reach. Hosting a dinner party? Explore designs with spacious islands perfect for prepping, dining, or mingling with guests. No matter your taste, these ideas offer practical solutions to enhance your cooking experience and elevate your home's value. Each design is a blend of beauty and utility, crafted to make your kitchen the heart of your home. Thank you for joining us on this journey of inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing ideas. Let us know in the comments which design speaks to you the most. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.